I think it's fairly obvious that the bear itself is very questionable.
Why, though? I don't know.
Yeah, this I don't follow. The bear, Mr. Wright?
This was found at Mr. Matt Ungard's mansion. However, Mr. Ungard was arrested at the hotel that night.
Oh.
Point, which means that since the murder occurred, he has not had the chance to go home.
Oh, okay. I see.
All right, I followed. That makes sense.
This makes sense.
Oh.
I think Your Honor has already figured out what I'm trying to say. It's not possible that it was Mr. Ungard who took the bear to his mansion.
Why, that's very true. We didn't consider that point, Mr. Wright. There was no way, time-wise, for the defendant to have taken this bear home.
The disaster averted. It was...
Objection!
God damn it.
You haven't gotten the best of me yet, Mr. Wright.
One day, Edgeworth. One day.
No, I get the best of you all the time. I win.
I remember it as clear as day.
Phoenix won ever since he saddled Edgeworth with unnecessary feelings.
I remember what you muttered to yourself at Ungard's mansion.
What?
Oh.
He's testifying from the lawyer stand.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Objection.
We have this area completely surrounded. There is no way for him to escape.
Unlawyerly conduct.
I can't believe it. That butler, all this time, he was the killer. I mean, of my hunger, because he brought me hors d'oeuvres that one time.
The killer and Ungard were working together, so to speak.
Objection. Hearsay?
Let's not go down that road.
Aw, I thought I was good.
I mean, technically, it is an of course statement taken for the truth of the matter asserted. However, there's this itsy bitsy teeny little exception that you could actually drive an airplane through. And it's not even an exception, it's an exclusion. It would normally be hearsay, but we just made the rule of hearsay around this obvious contradictory part of it.
Oh, which is...
So it's not hearsay if the defendant said it, or one of his agents or employees in the course of their employment.
No.
Which, that is you.
Dang
So
it.
arguably, it doesn't actually fall into the rule
That's
of hearsay
so
at all.
sad.
Yeah. And the killer was hiding at Ungard's mansion as its butler.
His butler.
What a bold move.
Yeah, Pastry Puff, they do this all the time. It would be very objectionable. The bear figurine was brought back to Ungard's mansion by the killer himself.
But he handed it off.
When it looked like he was about to be arrested, Ungard had him do so. I assume, objection, because it would have been bad had the police found it during their investigation.
Objection. Assumptions. I don't know any names of objections except hearsay. Unlawyerly conduct.
Well, Mr. Wright, you've been quite quiet for a while now.
Only out of courtesy, Edgeworth. Only out of courtesy.
This is too much. Isn't there anything I can attack at all?
What am I supposed
Yes.
to do?
I
What?
think we've heard enough.
What?
We now know why this bear figurine was at the defendant's mansion, as well as who it was that received the bear from the assassin room.
No, we don't know that.
Everything has become very clear. The client who hired the assassin to commit the murder was Mr. Matangard.
Do you have a receipt? Show me the receipt.
I see no reason for this trial to continue. Therefore, I will now hand down my
No.
verdict.
Did we do it wrong?
I don't
Thank you,
know.
Your Honor, for
Wait
your
a second.
understanding.
Was it Power's testimony?
I don't.
No,
there's
no,
no
no. We're
way.
fine. We're still fine. Everything's fine. Trust me.
I don't think we
All
are.
right. All right. I trust Dylan. Nostra Dylan.
You see, Mr. Wright, you could not win against the truth, could you?
I didn't really want to.
I knew it would turn out this way. After all, what Edgeworth has stated is the truth.
Any last objections, Mr. Wright?
Well, do I? What should I do?
We have to object. We have to object. We gotta
Raise
stall.
An
We gotta
objection.
object.
I will now announce, oh, for
Objection.
crimity's sake.
There is only one way for me to drag this trial out. The only thing left I have is this one dirty trick. Your Honor,
Oh.
right now we have these two reasons to believe my client is the assassin's client. Reason number one, he accepted the bear figurine from the assassin. And reason number two, that very same figurine was found at Ungard's mansion. However, it's possible this is all a work of a certain other person.
Blame Adrian Andrews. Yes, just like I said.
What are you saying?
It's actually perfect because Adrian Andrews was one who took the evidence of the murder.
Yeah.
Point. What I'm saying is, it's possible a different person is the killer's real client.
Yes. Throw her under the bus.
Oh god, dirty trick.
The real client.
Yes.
Is this all you have?
Now then, Mr. Wright, let's hear your theory.
Oh, 3.
Who do you say is the killer's real client and therefore the real murderer?
Profiles. Adrian
Adrian
Andrews.
Andrews.
Yeah.
Stitch face. Adrian Andrews. Present.
Do it.
I
that.
feel so dirty.
Oh.
Adrian Andrews.
Yes. We already know that she tried to frame Matt on guard for the crime
It's the perfect blame.
by wearing a spare nickel samurai costume.
Ah? Then the nickel samurai's arm that I saw.
That could have very well been Miss Andrews.
But what about Mr. On Guard?
If you would please recall yesterday's testimony, the defendant was taking a nap during the break period.
That's right. Then, finding this figure at Mr. Unguard's mansion?
It was a well-laid trap set by Miss Andrews.
Oh.
Mr. Edgeworth, what is your opinion on this?
I can't even begin to count the flaws in the defense's logic. Besides which, there is no evidence to support it. However, I can't fully discount its possibility either.
What is with this trial?
Come on, anyone can tell Ungard did it.
I can't believe the defense would go so far as to pin the guilt onto someone else.
Yeah, unbelievable. It's not something petty, it's murder of all things.
This is one of those non-joke crimes, Mom.
This is to save Maya. This is to save Maya. Even if the whole world turns against me, this is one fight I can't give up on.
Phoenix, this is your job normally. Mia, why do you look so pissed at me?
Order, order, order! All disruptive parties will be forced to leave the courtroom. Ma'am, why did you bring your child to this case?
To be fair, what kind of party isn't disruptive, Your Honor?
Especially in this court, Mr. Edgeworth, especially in this court.
For the benefit of the defense, I'm willing to play along with his what-if game.
What do you mean willing? You don't get a goddamn choice, Edgeworth, baby. Come on.
His what-if game, Mr. Edgeworth.
Bow. I'm very good at the whodunit, Your Honor. The prosecution is prepared to challenge the defense's, we'll call it generously, theory.
Is he helping me?
Mr. Wright, even you must have thought it strange and wondered, why would the criminal want this little wooden bear?
Okay, I looked down as it was typing, and I just saw, why would this criminal want this little woo? Little woo. He just wanted a little woo.
This little woo.
This little woo.
He's
The
right.
smallest PogChamp, Your Honor, why?
The killer did specially bring that bear to Unguard right away. Why do you ask? Is there something special about it?
Absolutely. And I'm sure that once the court knows its significance, the true killer's identity will become crystal clear. Your Honor, the prosecution calls upon a witness who will clear all doubts against Miss Andrews.
Ooh.
And who would that be?
Is your voice saved, Dylan? Oh, yeah.
It's quite simple, Your Honor. Miss Adrian Andrews herself.
That's kind of a roundabout way to say it, Edgeworth.
I see. Well then, the court will take a short 10-minute recess.
A recess.
The prosecution will prepare its witness in that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, see, it's only his hand. We don't see any arm.
To be fair, we don't really know who's banging that gavel.
It's someone else.
It could be.
He has a person to bang it for him.
Yeah.
Ace Tooney. Like and subscribe.
No! No, I was not ready.
Oh, I knew it was a good idea to hold her hostage. Don't you agree, Mr. Lawyer?
What the?
You.
But I never thought in your desperation you'd try to pin the guilt onto Adrian.
What the else was I supposed to do?
I swear, this demon will pay.
Mr. Nick!
Pearls, where's Mia?
I don't know.
She left me.
A really strong power suddenly called her away.
Maya?
Maya?
A really strong
Definitely.
power.
Oh.
Oh, Mr. Nick, your phone is...
It's from Gumshoe.
How's it going there, pal? How you been hanging in there?
Barely!
Yeah, sort of. We just barely found something to latch onto.
You! That's good, pal, because there's no progress here.
What about you? Anything yet? Wait, you said no progress. You haven't figured out where Tequila and Meyer are?
No. We still don't have any leads yet.
What? We don't have any more
I'm
time.
in pain!
Listen, pal, we literally followed the blue badge's hand in every direction it wagged. But we got nothing. If we had just one, even a single clue would be really helpful. Could you give us a hint where he is, pal? Just a hint?
Just saying. I can't figure it out, bud. Can you tell me?
God damn it.
I was only able to come this far because I kept thinking to myself, I've got to keep the trial going until Maya's been rescued. But have I just run out of luck this time? Is all of our hope for naught?
I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Ace Attorney. We play live once a week on Twitch and YouTube.
Thank you so much for the Giga Chads who became members. We really appreciate it.
If you like what you've seen so far, consider giving us a like, commenting, or subscribing for more content and chaos from us.
Oh, I'm not asking. I'm telling you. Subscribe.